Welcome to 14 Tailoring Drive in Ellenbrook. Great elevated position opposite the park and lake. Double car garage right at the front and a fenced front yard with reticulation. Ducted aircon throughout the property. Ceiling fan in the front lounge room. Great outlook towards the park. Cork flooring throughout this main space. The dining area and living. Lovely views out to your yard. Gas bayonet as well here for heating. And looking at the kitchen, we've got a gas stove top. A pantry with the sensor light. Built-in dishwasher in the island bench top. We'll look at the secondary bedrooms now. Built-in rope, ceiling fan, and direct access to this bathroom. A separate tub and shower. Laundry space with a toilet. Third bedroom here also with ducted. Lots of natural light through this space. And the fourth bedroom at the back. Sheltered position in the home. The backyard is probably my favourite part of the property. Nice and cosy. Gardens along the edge here. And a surprising amount of space. Perfect for entertaining, Christmas Day, things like that. There's your fridge nook in the kitchen. Bit of a mudroom or entrance space here. Double car garage. Plenty of space there. And the master room, located at the front of the home, separated from the other bedrooms and living space, which is quite nice for some privacy. Walk-in robe here, and an ensuite bathroom with a shower, the TV and aerial port right into your room, and ducted with the ceiling fan also. And that's 14 Tailoring.